Hello and welcome to creating a PlayPosit assignment in Canvas. Our first step is to go into the Canvas course and click the plus assignment button. This will give you an option to add in an assignment name, which is required. You can then add directions here within the RCE text box. You should set up how many points you would like your assignment to be worth, and this will be the amount that is calculated within your course's grade. You can choose the assignment group, and then under the display grade as, if you are creating an assignment that is ungraded, you can select to display grade as complete incomplete, which will give students a complete mark for completing the video. Otherwise, please choose another option such as percentage or points, and so forth. Then under submission type, you need to select external tool and then click the find button in order to find PlayPosit. You will need to scroll down quite a bit in order to reach PlayPosit, as this list is in alphabetical order. From here, we're going to click on PlayPosit, which will create this pop-up window, and then we'll select the blue button that says Set Link in the top right. From here, you can select a video that you may have already used, or within the blue sidebar, you can check out pre-made bulbs that are assignments that have questions already included on various topics. These faculty have given permission to share these with the whole Tech Connect community. You can also click the search button here to search for keywords or the creator's last name and subject. Or if you're ready to create your own bulb, click in the top left corner, Add New Bulb button. This will launch within the PlayPosit's screen, where you can select if you'd like to bring in a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or even Canvas Studio. From here, you can also create questions, even discussion questions, to get student-to-student interaction for the video. I'm going to pause here now and finish setting up our assignment within Canvas. Once you've created a bulb with your questions in it, it will appear here within this list. From here, you'll click on the thumbnail of the video and choose the option at the top, Set Bulb Link, that has that little red candle. From here, you would like this option to be self-paced, which gives students the option to complete it when it's convenient for them. If you were to select live broadcast, that would launch it in order to be available for all students to take it at the same time. If you're teaching an online or hybrid course, self-paced is the best option. And then choose the link button in the bottom right of that pop-up window. This will bring you back to the Canvas assignment page where you'll click Select within that external tool pop-up window. And now that PlayPosit assignment has been attached to your assignment in Canvas. I would suggest that you unclick the box for Load this tool in a new tab. By default, this button is checked and will send students to a new tab. If you uncheck that box, it will load the PlayPosit assignment directly within the same window. Continue setting up your Canvas assignment by clicking and selecting your due dates and available from and until dates as you wish. Then click Save or Save and Publish when you're ready. And that is how you set up a PlayPosit assignment.